Ya, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, morning everyone. My name is Aulia Fandi Putra Susanto, and today I'm going to do a presentation about my IT project. So, in here, my project is about 3D model or 3D icon using Blender. And first, I will explain what is 3D design first. So, 3D design is a is the creation that have it has three-dimensional that is front, right, left, back, up and down. So we can see the object in different perspective. So in here I will explain also about the difference between 2D and 3D icon. So 2D icon is two-dimensional, or it means flat design that has no shadow and other, no real depth, yes, and have a simple shapes and lightweight and clean look. So it means 2D icon is more flat than 3D icon. But in 3D design or 3D icon, it has height, width, and depth. And also usually they are using shadows and lightning and also perspective. Looks more realistic and more detailed. And here another example of 3D icons. As you can see, it has weight, width, and height, and also have shadow and lightning. And what is the 3D icon that I make? So I make a 3D icon about electronic or device, yes, about electronic device, and this example is camera that I make, and also I make other which is headphones and also a laptop, and also a monitor and pen tablet. Okay, so how do I make it? First I search ideas in UI8, Gumroad, and also Pinterest. Why searching ideas is important for make a 3D icon? Because we need a reference so we can follow it and modify it. So we can make a full 3D icon or 3D object that interesting for other people. And next I make it in Blender. So Blender is a software about how to make about making 3D. Blender also can make an animation and also other 3D objects. In here I use Blender because it's kind of easy for make it 3D icon. Look from my 3D icon, it's so simple, so I think it's easy so to use Blender. And this is the one of the screenshot that from Blender. So in here there is the mesh and other thing in the Blender. Blender also have some tools that help me to make 3D icon better and easier. So as you can see, the square here is have a round shape, so it's not flat and sharp. And then the last one I sell to Gumroad. So Gumroad can use for searching ideas and inspiration. Also I can sell the 3D icon in there, so waiting for other people buy. And I give a price to my 3D icon because I make around 10 3D icon and I sell it in one pack that has $7 or $6. And this the thumbnail that I make for the Gumroad, as you can see. So that thumbnail is very important because people can know the 3D icon that they want to buy. So I put the some 3D icon here, like I make a radio and also a gamepad, and also the specification like an icon, and the icon is PNG, and also have the Blender file. And then I finish the 3D icon. This is one of my 3D. I make a gamepad. As you can see, there is some some shape that for me it's kind of hard and kind of tricky. For me in here is kind of tricky for the for make this 3D icon. And also I will demonstrate my Blender here. This is the pen tab icon. So this is the flat without color. In the slide is has color because in here it's too heavy for render it. Yes. So as you can see, maybe around 10 or 15 minutes. Yes. And as you can, so in this icon I make a two object. Yes. So this is the tablet. Yes, this is the this is a pen tablet, and also this is the pen. Yes. And as you can see here, there is the button, and also a scroll or ruler, and also another button. And in the pen also there are two buttons here, and up and down. It is usually used for undo or redo. And this is the ballpoint. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Syukron. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.